Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I am outside enjoying the cool of the evening, so you might hear bugs, hummingbirds, or a car go by. This is all memory. I've kind of alluded to it in some videos, but I stay probably an hour, 50 minutes south of Raleigh, North Carolina. Well, my uncle worked for IBM up there, and they stayed in Cary, and I'd go up there and spend a week or so with them. And it was always, my aunt raised 4 boys, and I spoke of her daddy. He was just a really nice guy to me, and but it was just a nice place to get away. My cousins were older than me, so they kind of looked out for me and carried me around, did stuff with me. Well, I'd met some friends up there, and all those guys skateboarded. Well, around here, there really wasn't anywhere to skateboard. People eventually did skateboard around here, but I wasn't that one. Well, one had an extra skateboard he'd loaned me, and I weren't big on it. Was when they first came out with the bigger wheels and all. So my mama finally bought me one, and she paid, I'm pretty sure it was like $5 for it. So that gives you the idea of the skateboard that I had. And so it was nothing like the tricks these guys can do now, nothing. There was some of them spinning just a little bit, but nothing like what's going on now in the skateboard community. Well, I've always had a thing about not exercising good judgment, especially when it come to doing something stupid. Well, they had a hill that they wanted to ride down. So, and I'd gotten pretty decent at it. So I was, hey, I'll ride. So the thing about those skateboards, the roads were real good up there. Around here, our roads are more of a gravelly type road, and so not conducive to good skateboarding. Theirs were. Well, we were going down this hill. All of us there was 3 of us. We were headed, and man, I was hanging 10, and I was just going down that hill, and I was like maybe 12 or 13. Well, anyway, a manhole cover was rolling up, and I couldn't do real swift maneuvers, and the guys, they were easing over. Well, I was trying to ease over, but I hit that manhole cover. And this is about the result. I didn't hit my face though, but everywhere else got skint up. And I've done that before. But I skateboarded a little bit after that, but I figured it was better not to. I've got a video pinned in the comments section of an episode with a cart in Atlanta. I was at my aunt and uncle's house on the other side of the family. On my mama's side, my aunt and uncle in Cary, that was my daddy's brother and his wife. She just recently, she moved to assisted living, and I'd go see her. She stayed down at the beach. I'd get down there and visit with her. Just super nice. And she raised 4 boys, so she knew how boys were. She told me one time, I said, didn't you ever want girls? She said, I thought I did. And she said, I think boys were easier. That was what she said. Now, I didn't say that, but them boys knew better than give their mom any lip, because she'd tear them heads up. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.